Hey guys, Daft here, and today we are gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion, and that is possibly the worst quadcopter build ever. Over here we've got a nice little quad. This is actually Manic's little TBS Discovery knockoff. It's running nice multi-star motors. It's got a nozzle light in there, a little voltage beeper so you can tell the battery's dead or whatnot. Over here, you've got TBS Discovery Pro, you've got 1.3 setup, you've got easy UHF, you've got everything running nice and smooth. And then over here, you've got basically tape, and some more tape. All right, let's get started with the motors. So the motors, here we've got a DJI 920 kV motor. We're actually running 2 of these, but you know, running 4 of the same motors is too mainstream. So what we've actually done is we've gone ahead and we've ran 2 920 kV motors and then 2 DJI Phantom motors, which not sure if they're the same, but they seem to perform well enough, so might as well. All right, this motor over here is horribly out of balance, and there's a dent in the actual bell. It still works though. This motor here it's on its last legs. Listen to the bearing. Not sure if you can hear that, but I don't even know if there's a bearing in there anymore. I think it might have fallen out or something. It seems to work. Also, some of the coils have been shorted out. You can kind of even see the burn on the other side. I've got the easy UHF light receiver, which isn't for this build. It's actually for another build, but I'm just borrowing it for this till I wreck it. Same with the Fat Shark camera and the whole FPV setup for that matter. We've got the Fat Shark 600 TV line camera, which is for my mini quad. This for my mini quad, and then the 400 milliwatt video transmitter for my mini quad. You've got Q-Brain 4-in-1 20 amp ESC, and then you've got, to make it even worse, I actually do have a Naze 32 board from my mini quad build, but using a board that great on this quad would make it just too much, would actually make it better than it is right now, so we had to go ahead and go several steps down and use a nozzle light, because otherwise it'd be too nice of a build. Everything's held on nice with tape, some tape and some more tape, and a few zip ties. What else? I made it a point not to solder any of the FPV connections. I soldered all the important stuff, so it's not going to fall out of the sky. But FPV stuff that takes too long to solder, I don't know. Let's see what happens. On the bottom, you've got Zippy 2200. It probably should be running a 4000 to 5000 battery, but whatever. And the plate is actually 3D printed, which is, now you're saying, oh wow, that actually is really nice, but actually that's a tricopter plate. So I burned 2 holes in the back of it with my soldering gun, and then proceeded to melt the arms into the 3D printed part. And now we've got the 2 back arms, which are fused literally onto the board. So yeah. Now for some flight footage. This is Daft, and I'm at 97th and 5th right now. It's marathon day, and we're gonna main this piece of shit.